Tired of Chrome sending you on a never-ending redirect roller coaster? Let's dive into fixing those frustrating redirect loops in Chrome first. Clear your browsing data. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select More Tools, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked, and then choose All Time in the time range and click Clear Data. Next, disable your extensions. Type Chrome extensions in the address bar and press Enter. Toggle off all the extensions now. Try visiting the website again if it works. Turn the extensions back on, one at a time, to find the culprit. If the issue persists, check your website's cookies. Click the padlock icon in the address bar, then select Cookies or Site Settings, then Cookies and Site Data. Remove any cookies related to the problematic website. Finally, if nothing else works, reset Chrome. Go back to the three dots menu, select Settings, scroll down to Reset and Cleanup, and then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click Reset Settings. Keep in mind this will disable extensions and clear temporary data. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions got you back on track. Let us know in the comments which fix worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting tips.